Do you have a binder or file folder that holds all your medical documents? Do you wish you could store all that information securely and have it accessible at any time, regardless of where you are? Zamplo has got you covered. Hi, I'm Alexa, and I'll be discussing what you can do with all the paper copies of your medical history. Medical documents are important for you to have in the event that you switch doctors, move outside your province or state, want to reflect on your past medical history, or find yourself in an emergency situation. Having these documents accessible through your phone, tablet, or computer, rather than keeping multiple paper copies, can allow you to conveniently access all your health information with the click of a button from anywhere in the world. To learn how to upload paper copies of your medical history, watch our tutorials linked in the description below for using attachments and entries. So now that you have your health information uploaded, what should you do with all the paper copies you have? It's recommended that you shred all medical documents with your name, address, phone number, medical details, or other personal identifiable information on them, rather than recycling them. Only shred documents you are comfortable disposing of, and store the papers you want to keep in a safe location. I hope this video helps you on your health journey.